Life is a whirlwind. We rush from one task to the next, barely taking a moment to breathe. Our minds racing with thoughts, constantly juggling responsibilities. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, as if we're drowning in a sea of demands. We yearn for a sense of calm amidst the chaos, a moment of tranquility. The good news is that peace is attainable, even in the busiest of times. It's within you right now, waiting to be discovered. Mindfulness meditation can help you tap into this inner stillness, offering a sanctuary from the noise. Mindfulness is a practice for everyone, regardless of background or experience. You don't need to be a monk or a yogi to benefit. It's accessible to all. It's about paying attention to the present moment, fully engaging with the here and now. No judgment, just gentle awareness, embracing each moment as it comes. This ancient practice is a powerful tool for navigating our modern lives, helping us stay grounded. It helps us find peace, clarity, and joy in the here and now, transforming our daily experiences. Imagine yourself lost in thought, drifting away from the present. You're replaying the past, reliving old memories, or worrying about the future, anticipating what might come. This constant mental chatter is the opposite of mindfulness. Mindfulness is about being fully present, right here, right now. It's about noticing your thoughts, feelings, and sensations as they arise, without getting carried away by them. Think of your mind like the vast open sky. Your thoughts are like clouds that drift by, sometimes light and fluffy, other times dark and stormy. With mindfulness, we observe these clouds without judgment, simply acknowledging their presence. We don't try to push them away or cling to them, allowing them to come and go naturally. We simply watch them pass, like a gentle breeze moving through the sky. Mindfulness allows us to step back from our thoughts, creating a sense of distance and perspective. We become the observer of our experiences, rather than being entangled in them. This mindful observation creates space for peace and clarity to emerge, allowing us to navigate life with greater ease and understanding. Ready to give mindfulness a try? It's a journey that begins with a single step. It's easier than you might think. You don't need any special equipment or prior experience. Find a quiet space where you can sit or lie down comfortably. This will be your sanctuary for mindfulness. Close your eyes and turn your attention to your breath. Feel the air entering and leaving your body. Notice the sensation of each inhale and exhale. Let your breath be your anchor. Don't try to change your breath, just observe it. Your mind may wander, and that's perfectly fine. That's okay. It's natural for thoughts to come and go. Acknowledge them without judgment. When you notice your mind has strayed, gently guide it back to your breath. This is the practice. Start with just a few minutes of practice each day. Consistency is more important than duration. You can gradually increase the duration as you feel comfortable. Let it grow naturally. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to meditate. Each person's journey is unique. Just be patient with yourself. Embrace the process with kindness and self-compassion. Section 4. Weaving mindfulness into your day. Mindfulness isn't limited to formal meditation. You can practice it anytime, anywhere. Try mindful walking. Pay attention to the sensations of your feet on the ground. Notice the sights, sounds, and smells around you. Engage all your senses. You can also practice mindfulness while eating. Put away distractions and savor each bite. Pay attention to the flavors, textures, and aromas. Mindful listening is another great technique. Give your full attention to the person speaking. Listen without interrupting or planning your response. Section 5. The ripple effect of mindfulness on well-being. The benefits of mindfulness are profound. Studies show that it can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. It can improve focus, concentration, and emotional regulation. Mindfulness helps us become more aware of our thoughts and feelings. This awareness allows us to respond to challenges with greater skill. When we're mindful, we're less reactive. We're less likely to be controlled by our emotions. This creates a sense of inner peace that extends to all areas of our lives. Mindfulness also enhances our compassion and empathy. We become more understanding of ourselves and others. Section 6. Begin your mindfulness journey today. The journey of mindfulness begins with a single step. Start today by committing to a few minutes of daily practice. You don't need any special equipment or experience, just a willingness to be present. Be patient with yourself. Mindfulness is a skill that develops over time. Don't get discouraged if your mind wanders. Gently guide it back. With each breath, you're cultivating inner peace. You're strengthening your mind-body connection. Embrace the journey and enjoy the transformative power of mindfulness. The present moment is waiting.